It's time to share with you a recipe for amazingly delicious Jamaican chicken. While 2 pounds of chicken legs are soaked in cold water, I will tell you a little about this dish. So, many of you know and love jack chicken. My friend is from Jamaica, and this is his favorite dish. He's been making it for 60 years, if not more. He taught me how to cook this dish too. You can use not only chicken thighs, but any part of the chicken, even the whole chicken. Chicken legs are portioned and possibly cheaper. So, you soak the chicken for about an hour. Next, you need to remove the skin and fat, although this is not necessary. I don't always remove the skin, especially if I marinate chicken for 24 hours or for barbecuing. But if there is a lot of fat, I prefer to remove it. When the meat is ready for marinating, I rinse it with vinegar. Usually, 100 milliliters of white vinegar is enough, but you can use any vinegar. Vinegar softens meat and shortens frying time. The next ingredient is soy sauce. Soy sauce contains salt, so I usually don't add salt. For 2 pounds of chicken, I add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Fresh lime juice is also a natural meat tenderizer. I add the juice of 1 fresh lime. Lime can be replaced with lemon. And the last ingredient is jack chicken sauce. There are many manufacturers of this sauce or seasoning. It may not be spicy, or vice versa, very spicy. The choice of sauce or seasonings depends on your taste. I usually use this one. The original recipe from my friend calls for adding 3 tablespoons of sauce. But it's too much for my taste. That's why I prefer 2 spoons of sauce. Mix everything thoroughly. You can leave the chicken to marinate for several hours or even a day. You can freeze the meat like this and use it when necessary. There are 2 options to cook marinated chicken. The first is barbecue. But this makes the meat drier, so I prefer not to remove the skin if I later barbecue the chicken. Another option is to roast in the oven. To do this, place the meat in a baking pan and cover with a lid. Preheat the oven to 380 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 1.5 hours. Jack chicken is served with Jamaican rice, but I didn't have time to cook this rice, although I have the recipe. I will share the recipe in another video. In the meantime, I'll prepare a salad and some vegetables for dinner with friends. Bon appetit! If you liked this video, click like and subscribe to my channel.